tax season in Indonesia has arrived once again, signaling individuals and corporations in Indonesia to report the partial financial activity. With the deadline for the filing just around the corner, it's crucial to stay informed on the latest tax laws and regulations governing your obligation as a taxpayer. In this video, I will explain the annual tax return and what you need to know. So without further ado, let's get started and hopefully this video helps. The annual tax return is a document that taxpayers submit to the Indonesian authority, typically by the end of March every year. The tax return contains information on the taxpayer income, deduction, and tax liability for the previous year. Furthermore, a failure to file an accurate and timely annual tax return is crucial for individuals and businesses in Indonesia and can result penalties and fines. Additionally, a clean tax record can help individuals and businesses avoid legal troubles and maintain good standing with the tax authority. The terms annual tax return and annual tax reporting generally refer to the same thing. Both terms address the process of reporting your annual income and tax obligation to the tax office. Individuals and businesses meet certain criteria are required to report and pay taxes to the tax authority. The specific tax obligation and reporting requirements depend on the type and the size of the businesses, as well as the individual's income level. Expatriate working in Indonesia generally subject to the same tax reporting requirements as Indonesian citizens. This means that if an expatriate income exceeds the threshold for tax liability, they must file an annual tax return. Yes, if the expatriate have NPWP, they still have to report their tax as a zero tax report. For individual taxpayer, the deadline to report your tax obligation in Indonesia is typically on 31st of March of the following years. This means that if you earn income during the calendar year, you must report your tax obligation to the tax office no later than March 31st of the following year. For the corporate taxpayer, the deadline for reporting corporate tax returns then depends on the type of entity and fiscal year. Generally, corporate taxpayers are required to file their tax returns by the last day of the fourth month following the end of their fiscal year. If you need more information about tax and other services, you can visit our website at www.letsmoveindonesia.com and get a free consultation by contacting us using the contact details in this video description. Bye, Let's Movers!